Chainsaw won't start? Learn how to fix it right here. Stay tuned.
Hey everyone, welcome to GardenFork. I'm Eric Rothschild. This is a GardenFork quick tip, we're going to call this one. Is your chainsaw not running? Has your chainsaw sat all winter and you're thinking, I got to clean up that debris in the back there? That's happening to me right now. I got a couple of chainsaws and neither one of them wants to start, and I'm thinking I should give it like a quickie tune-up. And there's two things that you can do really simply to help this thing start better, and that's to change the spark plug and change out the gas. Okay? So we're going to show you to change spark plug, change out the gas. First of all, get one of these turkey baster things. Ask permission first from the person who possesses the turkey baster in your family. You want to open up your fuel here, suck out all the gas. Actually it's a gas oil mixture. Take this all out, put it into a gas safe container. Then get yourself something that measures clearly exactly 1 gallon, like a milk jug. Don't store gas in this, but you could fill this up to the 1 gallon mark, pour it into a gasoline safe container. Then get fresh oil. I really like these. These are these squeezy things. So you can have the measuring here, and it says for 1 gallon at 50 to 1, which is most chainsaws, it's 2.6 ounces. So you squeeze the bottom and the top, loosen the cap here. The top fills up like that. Pretty neat, right? I mean, that's way too much. But you can, it's kind of like a magic 8-ball, the way you move it back and forth. Anyway, it's 2.6 ounces to a gallon of gas is a 50 to 1 ratio. Okay, clean oil, clean gas. Take the old gas out of here. You have to shake it around, use the turkey baster, because there's a line that goes from the tank up into the engine here. You want to get that out as best you can. Second thing you want to do is replace the spark plug on this. The spark plug on these, we're going to have to take off these outer cowlings to do it. Some chainsaws, the spark plug is quite obvious. It's this black wire that goes to the spark plug. Here you go. Let me show you on this one how to get to the spark plug. This is the air filter on this one. You give this a little turn, and then this slides up, and that covers the air filter. This air filter needs to be cleaned. You can either buy a replacement one or clean it off. You can take a stiff brush, clean these off, or go buy a replacement. Oh, don't get this down there in the throat. Cover the throat, the carburetor throat, with some tape, and you can clean this area up. You don't want any debris going down in there. That's a bad thing. Outer cover comes off like that. Here is your spark plug. This is a 3/4 inch spark plug wrench. I bought a set of 3 spark plug socket wrenches. Makes life a lot easier because there's different sizes. Yeah, that's pretty cruded up. Go down to your local store. Get your new spark plug. Okay, don't over tighten this. Tight, and then a little tight, like that. Remember to replace this. Very important, the spark plug wire. All right, here you go. Time to go start work. By the way, if you're liking what you see in here, click on the subscribe button. We got a bunch of DIY cooking, gardening videos, videos of the Labradors if you like that kind of thing. And we also have a whole site of cool photos and how-to stuff like that, gardenfork.tv. If you like to sign up for our email thing, email newsletter, send an email to news@gardenfork.tv or click on the link below. And if you want to just email me, it's eric@gardenfork.tv. We're on every social media network they've invented. We're on Google, Pinterest, Facebook. You know, there's all of them. Whatever it is, we're there. Just type in GardenFork, you'll probably find us. All right, here we go. By the way, we've made some other GardenFork videos about chainsaw safety and how to cut down trees, how to cut fireplace logs, that kind of thing. You can click on the links here, click on the links below, and watch those as well. A lot of fun. Eric, chainsaw, power tools.